And my aquarium pump, air pump, quit working. Took it apart. It's looking like the rubber cup is old and cracked. Pumps a little bit of air, but not enough. I already bought a new littler pump, but I'm gonna see if I can get this cup. Got it from Walmart. We'll see if I can get replacement parts. Top fin. I found the air filter on bottom. It's plugged up. I'm gonna go start there, clean it, see what happens. I got the cup assembly out. I'm working on it. I got the diaphragm out. I think I got some rubber cement. I'm gonna try patching it. I mean, I can order this new diaphragm maybe, but I'll see what I can come up with. I'm trying to fix it with rubber cement. An hour later, I found some rubber cement. I patched it up. We'll see if it'll pump. It's a cheap fix if it works. Yeah, we paired it with rubber cement, let it dry a while, probably not long enough. It's working. I fixed the air pump with rubber cement. That's a solar powered air pump. There's the one I just fixed. It's working.